Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the load library failed error code 126. The specified module cannot be found. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed directly above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to expand the display adapter section, so double click on it. If you notice you have multiple display adapters listed here, such as an AMD display adapter, right click on it and select disable device. So again, if you have more than one, disable the second one. So if you have an Intel and an AMD, try disabling the AMD option and then just close out of here and then attempt to relaunch the application you're having a problem with, and that should really be able to resolve the problem. So pretty straightforward solution here, I would say. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.